Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 5.3, question number 11. You are downloading a song. The percent y in decimal form of megabyte remaining to get the downloaded in x seconds is given by y equal minus 0.1x plus 1. Graph the equation, find the total MB. Like that you can do one by one. Here, question number 10. So we have to draw the graph of y equal minus 1x plus 1 minus 0.1x. Here, first, here the equation is y equal minus 0.1x plus 1. Here, x values, we can get it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, put x equal put x equal to 0, then y equal 1. That is, put x equal 0, y is 1. Here, 1, 2, 3, like 1, 2, 3. Put x equal 0 means y is 1 is the point here. And put x equal to, put y equal 0, put y equal 0, that is 0 equal minus 0.1x plus 1. Then it comes 0.1x equals 1, x equal 1 by 0.1 equal to 10. Suppose this point is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 20. Now this point is, here this point is 10, 0. This point is 0, 1. Now joining these 2 points give the equation of the required straight line. Yeah. Now we have the equation. The name is y equal minus 0.1 x plus 1. Now, second part of the question, find the total MB of the song. Here, total MB of the song, for that, put x equals 0. Total MB of the song, for that x equal to 0, we have the equation y equal minus 0.1x plus 1. So, y equal minus 0.1 into 0, because putting x equal 0 plus 1, therefore y equal 1. Total MB is MB of the song is 1 MB. Now question number, third part is, after how many seconds will 75% of the song gets downloaded? Here, after 75%, that means remaining time when 75% song is downloaded, that is time when 75% of song downloaded is, so we give the remaining percentage. The remaining percentage is of course 25% because 75% song downloaded, 25% remaining, which is equal y equal 0.25 because 25% is in decimal 0.25. Now we have the equation y equal minus 0.1x plus 1. We had to put the value of y is 0.25, 0.25 equal minus 0.1x plus 1. Now 0.25 minus 1 equal minus 0.1x minus 0.75 equal minus 0.1x. Therefore, which gives x equal minus 0.75 over minus 0.1 equal 0.075, not 0.075, it is 7.5. 7.5 means we need to download 75% is 7.5 seconds. Time required to download 75% is 7.5 seconds. That part of the, that is fourth, uh, after how many seconds the song will be downloaded completely. The downloaded completely means y equals 0. Time record to complete, time required to complete download is that means put y equals 0. Therefore equation y equal 0 minus 0.1x plus 1, put y equals 0 minus 0.1x plus 1, that is minus 1 equal minus 0.1x. Therefore x equal minus 1 over minus 0.1 equal 10. Therefore we require 10 seconds. Time required to complete the download, that is time is equal 10 seconds. Next one, question number 12. Find the equation of a line whose intercepts on the x and y axis are given 4, minus 6, minus 5 and 3 by 4. Question number question number 12. Equation in intercept form. Equation of straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1, where a and b, where a comma b is given as 4 and minus 6, the first part of the question. So substitute the value of a equal to 4 and b equal to minus 6 in the equation. X over 4 plus y over minus 6 equal to 1. So we have x over 4 minus y over 6 equal to 1. By taking LCM as 12, then 3x minus 2y equal to 1, which gives, by cross multiplying, 3x minus 2y equal 12. Therefore 3x minus 2y minus 12 equal to 0 is the required equation. The second part of the question, the points A and B is equal. Here A and B is equal to minus 5, 3 by 4. Minus 5, 3 by 4. Minus 5 and 3 over 4. So we have the equation x over a, y over b equal minus 1. The substitute the value of a and b. A is minus 5, b is minus 3 over 4. That is x over minus 5 plus y over 3 over 4 equal minus 1. Let us write minus x over 5 plus 4 go up because reciprocal 4 go up, 4y over 3 equal 1. Then 15 is an LCM. 3 5s are 15, that is minus 3x, and 5 3s are 15, that is multiply with 5. 5 4s are 20y equal 1. By cross multiplying, minus 3x plus 20y equal 1 into 5 is 1 into 15 is 15. Then minus 3x plus 20y minus 15 equal to 0. Multiply with minus 1 gives 3x minus 20y plus 15 equal to 0. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.